Hi everyone, here we've got ALCATEL U5 HD, and let me share with you how to change video quality on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's tap on it, and now we have to enter the settings, which are in the left upper corner. As you can see here, we've got whole video section and we've got two different options, but actually at the very first position we've got video quality. So let's tap on it, and here we've got another three different options from which we can choose. We can choose HD, we can choose CD, which is right now applied, and choose MMS. So obviously it's really up to you which option you like to use, and in order to change it, just tap on the option you like to apply. And as you can see, it is notified right here that the video quality has been changed, and from now on your device will record videos in chosen quality. So actually that's all. This is how to change video quality in your ALCATEL U5 HD. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.